Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at improper fractions to mixed fractions. So what is an improper fraction? Basically this right here, 7 over 4, it is considered an improper fraction. And the reason it's improper is because when the numerator, this case which is the 7, so the 7 which is the numerator is actually bigger than the denominator. And so we kind of call this improper fraction, all right? Now we want to try and make this into a mixed fraction. How do you do that? Well, real simple. We're going to take the 7 over 4 and we're going to split it. We're going to split it like this. We're going to split the 7 and we're going to split this as 4 plus 3 over 4. Now, if you've been watching all the previous videos, you're probably quite comfortable with what I just did there. All I've done is I've just split that 7 into 4 and 3. And we know that, because they're going to have the same denominator, we can actually split this up further as 4 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Now, here's the beautiful thing about this, right? So we got 4 over 4. So we can actually say 4 over 4 is the same thing as saying just 1. So what we have is 1 plus 3 over 4. I kind of run out of space here, but this is now, we can rewrite this as 1, 3, 4. Lost my connect. There we go. 1, 3 over 4 as a mixed fraction. So that's pretty much what that mixed fraction looks like. Now, what happens if it's not 4, like not a one whole number? Let's actually go back and have a look at that as well. Like, let's say we take like 13 over 4, right? So let's say we do 13 over 4. So if we do 13 over 4, what I want to be doing is taking the biggest multiple that's closest to 13. So if you think about multiples, what I mean by multiples is like you got 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. Now 12 is a lot closer to 13 than 8 and 4 is. So that's why I'm going to choose 12. So I'm going to rewrite 13 over 4 as 12 plus 1 over 4. And then 12 over 4 can be separated. 1 over 4 can be separated. 12 over 4 is 3. Division, again, times tables, guys. You got to know your times tables. And you got 3 plus a quarter, which in a mixed fraction is going to look like this. 3 and a quarter is kind of like written. That 3 has to be in the middle of that line between 1 and 4, if that makes sense. So pretty much, yeah, that's how you do mixed fractions. So going from improper fractions to mixed fractions. Just checking that I've covered everything here. No, that's pretty much for this short little video, guys. Yeah, to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. That's a kind of like the long, annoying way to do it. Now, if you do have this graphics calculator, you could literally just chuck the number in there, like 13, and you see this little fraction button, which you'll have in majority of the calculators. So if you actually put 13 over 4 and press enter, it's going to pop up with 13 over 4. There's a little shift button. Is that going to work? No, it's not going to work. I forgot how to do this. I shouldn't have done that. There we go. Figured it out. It's depending on the calculator you have, like they all have different functions in them. Just check the manual of how to do it. Like in this case, if you actually go shift the F to D button, like right there, there's a little thing that goes from mixed fractions to fractions itself. But yeah, that's just something extra for you guys. But apart from that, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one.